Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for this quick video tutorial on adding a custom domain in Azure Active Directory and making that custom domain as primary. So this is a three-step process where in first step you would add your custom domain name in Azure AD, and once you will add that, then from that same page you will get some detail related to DNS, and you need to note down that either txt or mx record from there. And once that is done, then go to your DNS registrar or domain registrar, and there you need to create a txt or mx record within the DNS zone of your domain. Once you have done that, then you need to go to Azure Active Directory again. Then from there, you need to verify the custom domain. And once it's verified, you are done. Your custom domain is added. The other thing is now you have added your custom domain, you gone ahead and like started creating users. So by default, it would give you that on Microsoft.com is still listed there. So what you need to do that here you need to make your custom domain as primary. So you need to return back to that custom domain option, and from there you can click on your custom domain and to make it as primary, just click on that and you are done. Now your domain is primary. Okay, so let me show you the same process from the portal. Let me jump into portal now. Okay, let me go to Active Directory. Once I am there, okay, meanwhile, as you can see, this is my default domain, as you would see. So this is the ID using which I initially sign up for Azure. So by default, the same a tenant was created, and within that tenant, the primary domain was created using that ID dot on Microsoft.com. So here I cannot rename or modify this domain, right? It would remain same. However, what I can do, I can add a custom domain and going forward can make it primary and use it. So for that, you need to go within this Active Directory blade. You need to under manage, you need to look for that custom domain option. Click on that. You are on custom domain blade. Click on add custom domain. Put a custom domain name. So here in my case, I have one domain with me, that is bcloudclass.com. Let me add it. So once it's added, you will get txt or mx record here. So you can note down any one of them. And here, as of now, you won't be able to verify it because you didn't add this record within your domain name on domain registrar. So you need to note down these things, and then you can go ahead and create a text record within your domain name. And then once that is done, then you can return back here and can verify it. So meanwhile, let me close it. So as of now, if you would check, you will see the status of your custom domain as unverified. So once you will verify, it would show as available. You can find the txt or mx record by clicking on this again. So let me jump into GoDaddy. So I'm already logged in there. Let me go to my products, and from there I want to use this domain, bcloudclass.com, because this is the one I added there. Let me click manage DNS, and here on this manage DNS management page, I need to add a text record. Let me select the type as text host. Leave this TTL as 1 hour. Click save. So now you are done from the DNS registrar side. You have added that text record within the DNS management of your custom domain. Now return back to Azure AD. Ideally, this is something takes some time. A few minutes to an hour. However, let me try if this is replicated. Yeah, it's done. That's good. Let me return back. As you can see on the same page, there is this option like make primary. So from this same page, you can make it make this domain as your primary, or from here go to custom domain name, click custom domain, make primary. So this is how you can make it primary. So once you would make it primary, then if you would go ahead and create any user, you can create that user by having that custom domain. Okay, somehow it's still showing. Let me go back there and see if it's updated. No, it's not. Probably I didn't click on it. Okay, so now it's primary, as you can see. Let me refresh. Okay, let me go back to users. Let me try to create a new user again. As you can see, now it's showing your custom domain as the primary one, as you can see here. Go to directory. You can verify the same by going to overview. Oh, it's not. Probably it would take some time to get it reflected on portal. Let me refresh the page. Okay, it's there. So as you can see, the custom domain is there, right? So this is all I wanted to show you in this quick video tutorial. Hope this would be helpful. Thanks for joining me. Thanks. Bye.